What are the limitations of beard to scalp hair transplant? Obviously, not every man has a good beard, not have a good solid beard. Some people don't have any beard. So people who have beard, you have to understand that the beard is different than a scalp hair. So if you want to do a hairline, I prefer to use a scalp tool to scalp hair. Sometimes I have to use beard hair. As long as I use only beard hair, there's no point of reference or contrast, we can do that. But usually beard hair is thicker, a little bit kinkier. Beard hair follicular units are usually singles, occasionally twos, as opposed to hair on the scalp area that are usually twos and threes or maybe fours. So there are some differences, but the way that we transplant it, we kind of blend them in so people who see them after transplant, they don't see them as limiting factors, or we can still use them in most patients.